Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by charging the Bullets Wireless Z2 to at least 20% remaining. This prevents interruptions during pairing and avoids automatic shutdown. Turn the earbuds fully off before starting the device change process. Press and hold the power button for 8 seconds until the LED begins blinking. You will hear a spoken prompt or tone that confirms pairing mode is active. Keep the headphones nearby and ready while you open Bluetooth settings on the new phone or laptop. On the device you want to connect, open Bluetooth settings and enable scanning. Wait until you see OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z2 appear in the available devices list. Tap the device name to initiate pairing and accept any pairing prompts that appear. If the connection fails, open Bluetooth on the previous device and choose Forget or Remove for Bullets Z2. Then repeat the pairing process from the new device after re-entering pairing mode on the earbuds. If you encounter persistent issues, perform a factory reset on the Bullets Wireless Z2. Press and hold the power button and volume down together for 10 seconds until LEDs flash and a reset tone plays. Use Hey Melody or your device Bluetooth menu to manage single or multi-point connections carefully. Keep the earbuds firmware updated through OnePlus apps when available. Always maintain at least 20% battery during device switching to prevent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.